First off, I need to secure a bamboo steamer. So I've come to one of my favorite parts of Hong Kong, Shanghai Street in Yamate, where there's a plethora of shops that specialize in traditional Chinese equipment, such as bamboo steamers. Bamboo steamer making is a traditional art form that we're keen to preserve as part of Hong Kong history and culture, especially as these baskets are used so frequently in Cantonese cuisine. And this steamer basket here is the perfect fit. For this recipe, I want to keep things simple. Since the egg is our focal point, we're going to infuse the egg with lapsang souchong tea, a really dark, smoky tea, to add that smoky element to the dish. We'll need eggs, lapsang souchong, shimeji mushrooms, hazelnuts, and this one, for me, is the other star of the show, is the celtuce. So this is also called asparagus lettuce, and if you can't buy this in your market, maybe some white or green asparagus would work perfectly with a dish. The first thing I'm going to do is cut this, put the dice into that and cook it for about 3 minutes. So now we've got a rapid boil on the water, add a little bit of salt, and then we plop the celtuce in for around 3 minutes. Take 1 egg, take around 50 ml of lapsang souchong tea, a little bit of fine salt, and some cracked black pepper. And then we're going to pour that through the fine sieve into a jug. Pour the egg into the mold. Cling film tightly around the top. Place the bowl inside with a lid on, and then we wait around 8 to 9 minutes. So shiitake mushrooms that have been stalks taken off and lightly rinsed. Little shimeji mushrooms here, which I really like when they're raw. We have whole roasted hazelnuts that have had their skin removed. Okay, so 9 minutes have gone by and that's looking set. Just give it a little tap on the side of the bowl and it's not wobbling at all. So very carefully, this is super hot. Carefully pull back the cling film. So now we heat our saute pan. Take about 2 tablespoons butter. We add in our diced shiitake mushroom, cracked black pepper. We add in the celtuce, a little bit more salt, followed by our raw shimeji mushroom. So now we drain off the excess butter, and then to finish, we have an aged parmesan generously over the top. And voila.